Alright, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Subaru XV, stock reference number 5667. This shape runs from the 5th month 2017 through to the 6th month 2023. It has an FB 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, non-camera type, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.